Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas. Me, myself, and baby doll and my family, we had a great Christmas. Got a bunch of stuff, ordered some more stuff for the truck. As you can see, we got a box right here. But this box isn't even for this video. No. The box for this video is way bigger and a lot harder. If I know what this is, it's gonna be a lot harder to install. So I'm gonna take you to the back of the truck and show you what we got. So as I said, this box isn't the topic of the day, but that box is. There's your hint. Uh-oh. So I'm pretty excited about this. Hopefully I can do this all myself. If you remember what I said in the previous video about how I really don't care about all the chrome on the truck. Well, that's gonna be changing today. That's right. I got me a new off-road style bumper. Get the camera set up, let's do an unboxing and get first impressions with me. A box inside of a box. Again. A box inside of another box. Look at that.
Looks good.
Man, that's big. Oh. Wow, look at that. There she is, guys. Tubular front bumper. Your light bar mounts right through here. It's a 32-inch light bar. So obviously to begin with, we have to take the old bumper off. This plastic piece right here just clips off the front of it. From what I remember, you should have, I think two bolts to take off there, and then 2 bolts on the inside of the wheel wells. And I think the bumper is ready to come off. Obviously unplug your fog lights, but yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so I just got underneath here, and you can see the back of one of those bolts. So first thing you gotta do is unhook your fog lights, factory fog lights. You got one on each side. So I'm gonna go ahead and start unhooking that. Baby doll is looking for the socket size for those nuts in the front. So let's get it done. To unhook these, through the pull tab right here, pull it up, and you just pull down on it and it'll pop right off. Alright, so those bolts I pointed to in the back that I wasn't sure if you had to take off, yes, you have to take those off in order to get the bumper off. Now I'm gonna start working on this bolt and this one, and obviously the same on this side. Then the bumper should be ready to come off. As you pull the bumper off, there's a plastic shroud for your grill back here that you have to plop off as well. It comes with those push pin, the clips, the push pin clips in there. And then I'm gonna crawl back underneath of it and take the other ones all the way out. I'll come back and then finish up with these. So, as you can see, we got the bumper off of it, sitting over there. So when I told you, let me figure this clip thing out. These are the clips we're talking about. And man, they're a pain in the butt. It would help if you had the right tools, obviously. But I didn't. Here's another one right here. So also your fog light wiring is mounted into the bumper. But before you even get the bumper and everything on there, you actually have to install the light bar to the bumper itself first and get that all mounted. Figure out how you're gonna wire your cables in there into the hood and all that stuff. These brackets, if I remember correctly, these brackets right here actually come out. That's all this is, and we'll actually turn that around, and instead of coming this way, we're gonna go in this way. And then you bring the nuts to the back and you tighten the nuts on the back. All right guys, so now we put the light bar in. You got these little brackets that come with this. You got a nut, or I'm sorry, a bolt, nut, lock washer, and a washer. Same thing on here, bolt, lock washer, or washer, lock washer. Same thing on this side. These are the little plastic tabs I told you about, how this is gonna go on the opposite side. You take it off the truck, and you put them on here. We are currently working on getting 2 more bolts off of that, and they go in right here. So, but it's gonna be a little bit more difficult to get them off than it is putting them back on. Our chicken is not happy. They suggest that you remove these, but I don't know. I don't think I feel really comfortable doing that. So I think I'm just gonna leave them on. These are the crash bars, so if you get hit in the front, this will slow down the other vehicle so your tire doesn't go up into the cab. There's another one right behind the wheel as well. I do rub on these when I turn, but only because I got 12.5 wide tires. What do you think so far? You know, I think it looks pretty mean. I like the way the tires show a lot more, and you know it fits pretty good. It's a little bit behind right here, but you know that's fine. The same spacing on the other side, so fitment wasn't really an issue at all. It went together really easy. The hardest part was getting that one off. So yeah, you gotta let me know what you think. I think it's gonna be great. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, a short little video, and oh, let me turn that light bar on for you for a second. Not that y'all haven't seen a light bar before, but I ended up mounting it right here. So when you're driving, it's a nice easy switch to hit. So, but yeah, there you go. I got another bar coming to the top of the truck. Needless to say, we won't have any issues with lighting.